If Telegram is showing a login error that says try again later, don't panic. This usually means you've hit a temporary security limit, and the good news is that there are a few safe steps you can try to get back in. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the Telegram login error try again later, step by step, in a way that is simple and easy to follow. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick fixes just like this. First, the most important thing you can do is wait it out. I know that sounds frustrating, but if you keep trying to log in over and over again, Telegram may keep resetting the cooldown timer. That means every new attempt can actually make the wait longer. So the first step is to stop trying immediately. Sign out, close the app, and give it some time. In many cases, you need to stay completely idle for about 24 hours before the login block clears on its own. During that time, avoid repeated sign-in attempts because that can keep the restriction active. Next, try changing your network connection. Sometimes Telegram blocks the login attempt based on your IP address or current network. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch your PC over to a mobile hotspot or a different internet connection. This helps because a new network can give you a different IP address, which may bypass the temporary block. After switching networks, try opening Telegram again and see if the login screen behaves differently. This is one of the quickest things to test because it doesn't require changing your account information, just the connection you're using. If you already have Telegram logged in on your phone, use that to your advantage. Open Telegram on your mobile device first and make sure you can access your account there. In some cases, logging in on a phone or another device can help clear the verification prompt before you try again on desktop. If Telegram asks for confirmation, complete that process on the device that is already trusted. Then go back to your PC and try the desktop login again. This can sometimes resolve the issue faster than waiting on the desktop app alone. Now let's move on to a fix that often helps when the desktop app is stuck with old data. Clear the app data completely and reinstall Telegram Desktop fresh. Start by uninstalling Telegram Desktop from your PC. After that, go into your local files and delete any remaining cache folders related to Telegram. These leftover files can sometimes keep the login problem alive even after reinstalling. Once the cache is removed, restart your computer so everything refreshes properly. Then download and install the latest version of Telegram Desktop again. A fresh install can remove corrupted local data and give you a clean start when you try to sign in. Once Telegram is reinstalled, try logging in again carefully. If the error still appears, go back and check whether you have truly stopped all login attempts long enough for the cooldown to expire. Also make sure you are using a different network if the issue seems to be tied to your IP. In many cases, the combination of waiting, changing your connection, and clearing app data is enough to fix the problem. To recap, if you see the Telegram login error try again later, your best steps are to wait without repeated attempts, switch to a different network like a hotspot, try logging in from mobile first if you already have access there, and then clear Telegram desktop data and reinstall it fresh. These steps are safe, straightforward, and often solve the issue without needing anything complicated. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech fixes, and leave a comment if you want more Telegram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.